So I was picking a section to go after the dog running. So I like going up here, endpoint. And I'll get the leaves falling. And you see this big leaf right here, so I kind of want to see if I can get that out of the shot. So when it starts falling in, I'll start that. So that's my endpoint. And I'm going to overwrite, so it puts it right next to where I was. Let's play that. See where that peaks right there? This is where I'm going to start it. And let's go to another person. So leaves aren't falling. Let's see if with the inner people footage we have some leaves falling. I have leaves, but I don't have leaves falling. So I really like to find leaves falling. Let's look at this sunshot. Look at that. It's right there. Let's cut this in. So overwrite. And let's see how that goes. So I don't like how that looks. I'm going to hit Control Z and let's find something else that maybe flows. So let's look at this pan across New York. That looks really ugly. Let's look at this where she's walking in the sunlight. So let's try that. See if that flows. So go back. And then we'll end it on one shot. Done this one. Done that. This is our jogger without the dog. So maybe we can go to a leaf shot and then end it on that. If we do, I actually want to go to the highway shot. Here's a leaf shot we haven't used. Just cut that in for a minute. Oh, a second. Okay. That's a tree one. So we're going to kind of start this a little different. Insert, got an endpoint. Transitioning to the yellow. I actually would rather end on that since it's a reverse shot. So we know we want this to be a minute long. This is where I want my endpoint. So we're actually going to take this to my minute, exactly a minute, and I'm going to do that. Then I have this little section to fill in. So I'm going to do an endpoint where I want it to start. So I'm using my arrow to make sure I'm at the beginning, and then I arrow over, and I have my end, and then I just have to find a shot that will work in here. So what if we just use, we're staying with the yellow. She's in yellow. Let me go to yellow, and let's go here. And then it overwritten into that little section that makes sense to end on the reverse. So if I like that, which I think it's not bad, I'm going to do it right here. So I'm gonna show you how to do this a couple ways. You can just scroll this back as long as you have the arrow button, and you right click, and I'm going to apply transition, and it will fade out the music. Now notice when the music is playing, see how it's peaking in the red and yellow, red and orange. I'm going to turn that down just a little bit. So if I double click, go to effects, I'm going to take that down to -6, and let's see if that plays a lot better. I like that level a lot better. So then I'm going to go to my beginning of my sequence. I'm going to do an endpoint. I'm going to go to my end of my sequence. I'll do an out point. And it tells me the full sequence is 1 minute long. And then I'm going to right click here where it says Fall Montage, reveal sequence in project. Then I know it's already what I want. So click on it. I already named it. Right click, export media. I know I want this to go to YouTube, so I'm going to choose YouTube 720. I can do 1080 or 720. And select that, and then I'm going to tell it to go to my D drive, Fall Montage, and I'll just put the name of the class as well, and then my last name to make sure when I turn it in, it would be easily found. So save that, and then export, which is that clip right there. And then I'm done. Now we'll go into some transitions and keyframes next week, but this is just a quick overview how to make a nice montage video. So the other things we need to do is dissolve transition on video if you want to do that, and then also some keyframes. But if you want to work ahead, she does go over that in a video on LinkedIn. So that's it. Hope you have a great day.